Hello all, in this video let us take a look into new subscription improvements in SSRS of SQL Server 2016. So the first improvement is there is an option for enabling and disabling the subscription to prevent that subscription being executed. So basically in our earlier versions we did not have such an option. So if you want to stop the subscription, we may have to change the schedule, or we need to do more work over there to stop the subscription being executed. But now that this has been made very simple, like it has a button where we can just enable and disable the subscription. And secondly, the subscription owner name can be modified. Name meaning it's like an account can be modified. In our previous versions, basically this can be done through some PowerShell or some kind of C# code, but right now in the UI itself you will be able to edit the subscription owner as well. And the third improvement is shared credentials for file subscription. In our previous versions, for each and every file-based subscription, we need to specify the account for accessing that shared folder. This needs to be set up for each and every subscription. But right now, with this version, we can set up a kind of a shared credential, which can be used as in all the file-based subscription without re-entering the details. And the fourth one is edit subscription description. So in previous versions, the subscriptions were actually created and the descriptions are automatically displayed. Now we are having an option to edit that subscription description also. Now let us take a look into the demo of this features. So already I have created one subscription with a Windows file share option, and then which runs in every minute from 3 p.m. onwards today. So this subscription is already successfully running, and then it is writing the data into this specific folder. So if you notice, the last run has happened as 3:44 p.m. Which is just a minute before. Now if I go ahead and disable this subscription, you can choose this option of disable subscription here. By choosing this, you can do it by choosing the multiple subscriptions also. So now I'm going to choose this and then say disable. Now you could notice that the status got disabled basically. So as you are already aware, this subscriptions are created as a SQL Server agent job. Let us take a look into the behavior. What happens after we are just disabling the subscription? So now it is going to take another 15 seconds to execute the subscription. So ideally the job should not be executed, but right now what's going to happen here is the job will get executed, but still the subscription file will not be generated. So if you notice, it is gone for 3:46. Let us try to see here. So here if you notice, at 3:46 the job has been run successfully, but if you go and see in the subscription folder, the date modified still stays as 3:45 p.m. So it means that still the job gets run, but the file is not being generated. That's how this disable option works. Now let us go back and enable this subscription. So now the second option, whatever we have talked about, is editing the owner of the subscription. So here it has been given as a separate text box over here. Here you can come and edit the subscription owner. And third option is we talked about is credential used to access the file, use the file share account. So previously what we were doing is we just had only one option, and we'll provide that Windows user credential. So we can use this option of use file share account. This file share account can be set up globally at a report configuration level. So in the report service configuration manager, if you go to the subscription setting, you could see that there is an option for setting up the file share account. There you can specify the account which needs to be used for file share account, and then once here you choose this use file share account option, that account will be used to access the shared path. And the final option what we talked about is the description editor. So basically what you can do is you can specify whatever description you want to put here, subscription demo, and say apply. That will be displayed on the subscription list. Basically you could see that subscription demo has been displayed over here. And as we enabled the subscription back, if you go and see in this subscription, you could see that at 3:48 p.m. the file got overwritten. So it means that once you disable it, it will run the job, but still it will not generate the file. So that's what all I have for subscription improvement, and thank you very much for watching this video. I'll meet you all soon with my next video. Thank you.